What's up guys, this is Alan back with another video, and today I've got a really exciting video. I can't wait for today's video, and that is I'm going to unbox a badminton racket. That's right guys, this is my first unboxing ever and I'm very excited for today's video. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So before we start the unboxing, I just wanted to show you a quick clip of my old badminton rackets. So these are my old badminton rackets, these two babies. I've been having these for about 2 years now, and I thought I should have gone for a new racket because the grips are totally gone. The rackets are out of shape, there are totally scratches on them. So I asked my mom if I could get a new badminton racket and she said yes. So I'm going to not need these. So there you go, and let's start my new unboxing. This is my new badminton rackets package. I received this for 2 hours ago, I think. Yeah, it was about 9 o'clock and this package was delivered at my house. So let's start the unboxing. I've got my... So let's see. First tape gone, second tape gone. This is the third one, and fourth tape. Booyah! Ooh, that's so nice. This is awesome. So it's a Vector X VX175. It's a set of 2. So this cover is pretty nice. It's very nice quality. It's very clothish, and you can visit and buy these on www.vectorx.com. So you can go there and check this out. And let's open this. Okay, let's see. Ooh, that smells awesome. Ooh, damn, this is nice. Okay, let's put this one aside. Let's put this down. Let's talk about the net first. Net's, it's good. It's not that strong, but it's perfect. It's got a black and red design. It's of X175. It's set of 2 full pieces. Yeah, that's it. Doesn't show the grams or anything. So anyway guys, this was a new badminton racket. So for these 2 new babies, please like the video, subscribe and share this video to all your friends. Please get me to 40 subscribers guys, please. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.